Welcome to Desert Disc Planning. In this video, we are going to set up the 4th week in my kids section of my Happy Planner. And if you've never been here before, I'm really glad that you came upon me and I came upon you. I hope that we stick with each other and you subscribe so that I can follow you back as well if you are a creative person. And then also, if you have been here before, thank you for supporting my channel, and I'm glad that you have returned for week 4 in my kiddo section. So in this week, we will be doing the memory keeping dates and holidays, which I've been using throughout the entire month of June. So I will be using the rest of these for the month, and then I have HOORAY seasons. This is a part of the HP Stash Challenge, week 4, which is summer. So I chose my kiddo section because it is the beginning of their summer. So here it is. It's the Motherhood dashboard layout. I just pulled it out. It's from 2023. So we are redating the layout itself as well as the inserts as well as the stickers. So it'll be fun. Fun. So last week was camp week, and this week is, I don't even know yet. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to white it all out. But I don't have a book that's called Summer. So I'm using all my season books, and I'm pulling summer from them. And for this page, I don't really have, you know what, I could probably end up doing like a chore list for them. Like who's done their chores this week. But I have a home section in my planner for chores. So I feel like I would be doing it twice. All right, let's go ahead and lay down these bad boys. I am desert.disc.planning over on Instagram if you want to follow me over there and see what all I'm getting into. I'm trying to get more familiar with the Happy Planner again. So I'm doing a lot of stash challenges. And then I'm going to get my creative wheels turning because I'm going to wait till school starts. That's like my game plan. Like I started making them. I got overwhelmed with everything that's going on at home. And that's really just having all the kids. And then I had a job and all this other stuff. So that's not here nor there. But Raylan should be going to pre-K. The boys will be in school. And the only one I have is Autumn. So it should be easier to run a business, I would say, right? All right, so that's the plan. All right, so there's that. Use that sticker book. We're good. Now let me go find. Hello, sunshine. This is what we're doing. We're doing this right here. Don't have any birthdays. There's that one, and there's that one. And then it stops, right? Okay. Share. This is a vertical. Let's do the sunshine vibes at the top. I'm just going to put the HOORAY down here because it's like the weekend. I don't know if that matters. And girls just want to have fun. Bucket list. Do I want to do the bucket list? I think I want to do the memories. Actually, I'll do both of them. I will do the memories down here and the bucket list at the top of the other side. Like that. I hear my dog snoring. I don't know if y'all hear it. Little Luna is snoring. Little Luna is taking a snooze. And I can hear it. Alright, so there's that. Yay for today and sunshine vibes. So we're just going to put that there. And we'll put that one there. And then we're going to go ahead and get rid of this. I wonder if I'll have the boys, because that would even be better. I know that sounds bad, but it would be better for girls just want to have fun, put it that way. Because then I would just have the girls. All right. So we can use these as like little punch lines. I'm using this whole sheet. I'm devouring these books, guys. I'm just going to say it. All right, give me some other color because that's a lot of orange. Orange, 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 orange everywhere. And on a happy note, let's just do that. All right, that sheet's done. I ain't got nothing for that. Sweater weather. Ooh, these are nice. Where did they come from? Just extra? Oh, man. We're using this. The plan to do, like, hello. Okay. I need something really cool to go right there. It's more like spring. Yep, there it is, spring. And then Christmas. There's a lot of pieces missing. I used this a lot back in the day, I guess. I don't want too many scripts. Alright. I don't know what else to do over here. But we are going to throw... Let's just leave that like that. I know this sounds weird, but we're going to put all these boxes over here. Like, I have 4 kids, so let's do 4 different things for them. Let's lift this one up. Let's switch y'all's positions. All right. And then alright, don't ask me what I'm doing because I don't know. I'm just filling the page in. That's what I'm doing. I can't use this anymore. So there's that. And then I'm going to use these lovely things on this side. So I'm just going to use these colors as they are presented, just like that. As long as they don't match this thing, I'm good. Alright, I have these two. Done with that sheet. Well, that did me like, that filled up what I needed. It gave me my fix. Hooray for today. And I have alright, happy notes. If I had like a bunch of, ooh, I had those, no, it's not on this page, I don't think. So let's see. I don't really want to use the one with the foil on it. I just really don't see it being someone's birthday. I don't remember it being someone's birthday. Alright, that's it. That's all I'm doing. La la. I think it looks good. So, 4 kids. I get some memories. I get some bucket lists. I get to see what all we've done for June. And then these are already laid out before the month starts, so I can like go ahead and get all my creativity and get all my markers together. And then I can lay this out, lay that out. And then like each kid, what's going on. There is a tournament. We don't necessarily have to go, but there is also practice. There's so much stuff still happening. All right, well, I hope you guys like this video. I used HOORAY seasons and memory keeping dates and holidays, and that is for this. I need to put that back in there so I don't lose it, because I've been losing them. And I'm using it for like every single spread. All right, so let's get this back in the planner. I should have decorated the back. I've decorated the back of everything, but I guess I'm going to do it off of camera because my alarm's about to go off for me to go pick up Riker. And I don't want it to go off because it'll stop the camera again. All right, so here it is. The 24th through the 30th in June, my kids section. Here's the sticker books that I used. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, I hope you come back and see how I do the other layouts in this book, or even do a plan with me in some of the sections. And again, hashtag HP Stash Challenge over there on Instagram. That's where this is going to be. I'll be throwing it on TikTok and everywhere else too, but the Stash Challenge is actually hosted by Creatively Lisa Marie over on Instagram. So that is the first place to go. And until next time, I will see you guys later.